are going to love the 2017 Chevrolet Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, climate control, rear defrost, power windows. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.